The topic of sexting and whether or not it's good for your relationships. What is sexting? Sext is a form of electronic communication where sexually suggestive messages are exchanged. It can take place through text messages, emails, or even social media platforms. Is sexting good for relationships? There's no easy answer to this question. Some people believe that sexting can be a healthy way to spice up a relationship and keep the spark alive. Others believe that it can be harmful, as it can lead to jealousy, insecurity, and even infidelity. The pros of sexting. There are a few potential benefits to sexting. For one, it can be a way to explore your sexuality and communicate your desires to your partner in a safe and discreet way. It can also be a way to build intimacy and connection, as it allows you to share a more personal side of yourself with your partner. The cons of sexting. However, there are also some potential risks associated with sexting. For one, it can be easy for sex to fall into the wrong hands, which could lead to embarrassment or even humiliation. Additionally, sexting can be addictive, and it can be difficult to stop once you start. How to sext safely? If you're considering sexting, there are a few things you can do to make sure you're doing it safely. First, only sext with people you trust. Second, make sure you're using a secure messaging app. And third, never share explicit photos or videos of yourself that you wouldn't want to be seen by the public. The bottom line. Ultimately, whether or not sexting is good for your relationship is a decision that you and your partner need to make together. If you're both comfortable with it and you're using it in a safe and responsible way, then it can be a fun and exciting way to connect with each other. However, if you're not comfortable with it or you're worried about the risks, then it's best to avoid it.